Hi, welcome to TECHHELPLINE channel, and this is the tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to make BeReal public. Watch the video till the end. Start off by tapping the BeReal app and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're done opening up BeReal account, you will be asked to take your BeReal. A BeReal post is only allowed once a day. You can provide a snapshot of whatever you are doing by tapping on Take Your BeReal button and click the picture by tapping on the shutter icon at the bottom of the screen in order to make your BeReal public. Once you click a picture, tap on My Friends Only option at the bottom left. Now tap on Discovery from the options displayed. Soon after you do that, you can now tap on the Send button and you will be able to make your BeReal public. That is how you can create a public post on BeReal. Hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.